Welcome friends, welcome back to my another Clean Planet walk and happy Sunday from Bangladesh. Friends, today is Sunday 10 April 2022. Now afternoon time, this Sunday afternoon I visiting a natural place in our city. Friends, you can see behind my back natural place. Here is a many type of green nature, big and small tree, soils road, all in all beautiful place friends. You can see behind my back actually all around beautiful natural place in our city. Friends, this afternoon I visiting this place and I saw here some polluted garbage and plastic. So now I collected that garbage and plastic and that garbage threw in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে রবিবার বিকেলে এখন বিকেল আমি আমাদের শহরের একটি প্রাকৃতিক জায়গায় এসেছি। এখানে অনেক সবুজ প্রকৃতি, ছোট বড় গাছ আছে, মাটির রাস্তা আছে। তো আমি এখন এখান দিয়ে হাঁটবো, মাটির রাস্তা দিয়ে হাঁটবো, প্রকৃতি দিয়ে হাঁটবো এবং আবর্জনা সংগ্রহ করব। জায়গাটি আমি পরিষ্কার করার চেষ্টা করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this is a really very beautiful natural place in our city. Here is a many type of green nature, big and small tree, big roof of tree. Friends, now I try to cleaning this place. Let's go friend, cleaning mission start now. Friends, and a bag in my hand. Now I try to cleaning this natural place. Friends, first I saw here one old plastic. So I collected this plastic. This is a old plastic, unused plastic. This plastic is really very bad for our natural place, our public place. So I collected this old plastic and threw it back. Friends, you know I always try to save the natural place. I always try to clean the natural place. So today I try to cleaning this place. I saw here one unused mask, so I collected this mask and সংগ্রহ করব। দেখেন এখানে অনেক ধাঁধার গেছে। দিস ইজ এ ভেরি ব্যাড আনইউজ মাস্ক, সেটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। Here I saw here another plastic. I saw one butterfly, white butterfly flying here. So I collected this unused plastic from this place. Very bad plastic product. Friends, a really very beautiful place inside our city, Tangail city. I saw another old plastic. So I collected this old plastic. Very bad old plastic. আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম another plastic, unused old cloth, very dirty. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। old cloth, old plastic. Friends, I saw another plastic here, big plastic, big and old. So I collected this old plastic, really very bad plastic. I collected this big plastic from here. Unused paper, very dirty, নোংরা হয়ে গেছে। I saw another plastic, big plastic, starting green nature প্রকৃতিতে আটকে আছে। 1, 2, 3, many old plastic here. 4. I collected many old plastic from here, really very dirty plastic. Many plastic, unused plastic product, sandal, and another one, very bad polluted plastic product. And next papers here. And I saw here one bottle, unused bottle, dangerous কাচের বোতল, গ্লাস বোতল, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখতে পাচ্ছেন আপনারা, really beautiful place, friends, really beautiful inside our city. Soils road, tree, big tree. I saw here another garbage cigarette pack, collected this cigarette pack. Beautiful nature, friends. Now I walking this place and try to collect polluted garbage. I saw another cigarette pack here, so I collected this cigarette pack. Friends, I saw here one unused mask. সেটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম মাস্ক। Friends, natural place. This is a small soils road. Many people use this road for walk. I saw another plastic and unused papers. Plastic. আমি সংগ্রহ করলাম। Another old plastic here. Old plastic. Friends, really beautiful place. see যাতে শেপট এখানে একটা রাখলাম। I saw here another garbage cigarette pack. One, I saw another cigarette pack here. Cigarette pack here. I saw many cigarette packs here from this place. Cigarette pack. Unused plastic pen. Hence I walking in this place and try to collect polluted garbage. I saw another cigarette pack here. See another cigarette pack here. Hence I collected many polluted garbage, plastic, cigarette pack from here. I saw another old plastic here, old and big. This is a very old plastic. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম, দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। Friends, really very beautiful natural place. Now I walking here and try to collect polluted plastic and garbage. I saw another cigarette pack here. আমি সংগ্রহ করব। I saw another cigarette pack here. Friends, I collected many polluted plastic, cigarette pack, unused plastic, garbage, polluted garbage from natural place. My cleaning mission finished today, so stop this bag. Bagটি আমি এখন বন্ধ করব। Friends, stop this bag, garbage bag. Now this bag threw in dustbin of municipal. Let's go, friend. I collected polluted plastic garbage from this natural place. Next time, I again try to cleaning this place. Friends, this garbage bag threw in this dustbin of municipal.